heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. This live stream actually is very important. Well, actually all of them. No, I'm kidding. Bitcoin is still in sideways, so we are looking at least in my case, I am waiting for the monthly close. So as I said before, I'm still expecting Bitcoin is gonna be in sideways, but I want to show you this chart. Watch this chart carefully, because what is happening here right now, maybe it's gonna be something like many people they are not expecting. So careful with this chart. The monthly close time is the final countdown, right? Is started a few days ago. Same as before. Any close below 20k for me is gonna be continuation to the downside. Okay, simple. So just 2 days left. 2 days left. So it's just about time. So because the monthly for me is very clear and it's gonna be to the downside. Yeah. Let's talk about the 1-day chart. 1-day chart, as you can see here, Bitcoin, technically speaking, we have the buy signal still. Yeah. But what is doing the price? Nothing. And the reason is very simple. It's because the volatility is super red right now. So that's why Bitcoin, when you see this color, red, usually that means the price is gonna enter in sideways. So right now it's just about time. According to the forecast, around maybe the first week of October, we are gonna see the zero line testing here. Of course, I am looking for maybe a small bounce opening the monthly, but that bounce is gonna be a sell. Okay. So right now also we have here. We have the choppiness index firing here, as you can see here. So wait for it, because I think the first week, maybe maximum the second week of October, we are gonna see a major move. But the move we are gonna see is not gonna be to the upside. So as you can see here, in 1-day chart, nothing happened. It's just sideways here, sideways, and that's it. Okay. Now, let's talk about the 4-hour chart, because I know you want to trade 4-hour chart, right? The small range. First of all, here, what is doing the price? It's still holding the MA55. Of course, it's not looking bullish, yes, but look at this. The 4-hour chart is breaking the zero line here in OBB. Yes, the OBB is still healthy. So what? Short to zero? Of course not. Of course not. This is gonna be just in sideways here. If you're shorting here, well, good luck with that, because as long as Bitcoin is holding this area, at least in the short term, maybe a weekend, maybe after the monthly close, as I said before, maybe you will see other leg up, maybe to $20,000 or $19,800 around there. So short term, maybe potentially we see maybe a 19k, maybe yes, but for me it's not worth it. I mean, trading this for me is not worth it, just wasting time. So if you're trading 1-hour chart, let me show you here. This is not a sell signal. You are in short right now here, of course. No. Of course not. Actually, for me, as long as this area is holding here, you will see a buy signal here. ADX is gonna be negative here. Other test to the top of this range. Of course, it's just gonna be a range. Bitcoin is gonna enter using range here. So the game is gonna start. You want to, thinking like, okay, maybe Bitcoin will break. 19k is a level. Yeah. If you see Bitcoin breaking 19k, yes, we can start talking about $18,000 700. Yeah, the bottom of this area, and more sideways. Okay, so that's why. Let me explain what I'm doing right now. Nothing. I am not trading. I am not doing anything today. Actually, I took a day off about trading. The reason is simple, because for me it doesn't make any sense to start looking, just wasting my time in 1-hour chart or 4-hour chart, if I know one of the biggest signals in the history of Bitcoin is about to fire in just a couple days. Okay, maybe for you it's like, oh my god, really? the biggest signal? Yes. Well, I don't want to talk too much about this because actually I did it before, but maybe you can watch my video about my prediction for Bitcoin in 2023. Okay, so right now we know what on the chart still we have the buy signal, yes, but the price is just doing nothing. Yes, as you can see, some more sideways until the monthly close. Yeah, in the moment when you see the solid line testing here, maybe Monday next week, get ready because this is gonna be like this. Okay, and it's gonna be nasty, very bad. Now let's talk about other assets. Let me show you the USD dominance. Yeah, because usually I check this one. And as you can see here, even with the various variants, as you can see here, the ADX is still positive here. This is consolidating here. So, well, get ready because looks like this asset is holding this area. So as long as it's holding this area, I am looking for new highs actually in October. Let me show you here. This, yes, I mean, for me, any close below 7.70 here in the monthly close in a couple of days. Overall, I am looking for new highs and maybe potential new ATA for this asset in October, November, maybe December. So that's why, I mean, the projection for Bitcoin is not good. Okay, bi-monthly, as we can see here, still 3-month chart. Okay, we don't have enough data for this. Yes, we don't have enough data, but it's just price action. Any close about 7.70 in 3-month chart. This is just continuation, and you will see maybe a test to yes around 10, 11, 12 around there. I am looking for new ATA. So in 4-hour chart, as you can see here, we have we had before the various variance from this point and this point, but right now this asset is holding, even without volume, is holding. So, well, as I said before, just is a time to be careful because I think October is gonna be very interesting for all the investors. yeah. So let's talk about if you want me to check some altcoins, please let me know. But the projection is the same. I mean, I am not trading altcoins. I will not waste my time in altcoins when I know the monthly and 3-month chart is coming. So it's better, less stress, at least in my case, if I wait for the monthly close. So right now here, we are going to talk about the SP500. Yeah, I want to show you this. As you can see here, we have, technically speaking, we don't have bullish variance. Very sad, but we don't have bullish variance. The bullish variance I was looking for yesterday, a couple of days ago, we have now invalidation. Also, we have here a buy signal here in 1-day chart. Technically speaking, is gonna be a bounce. Of course, not today, not tomorrow. I think Bitcoin SP500 is gonna close first. One moment. Sorry. Okay, so this is technically a bounce or sideways. So I am not looking for any bounce. I mean, today and tomorrow, Friday. Why? Because right now, as I said before, market makers, they are looking for the monthly close. So the monthly close is the most important chart right now here. So I wouldn't waste my time in 1-day chart right now, or 1 hour or 4 hour. And this, my friend, is continuation. Okay. So the projection in October is not good. I am looking for test $3,500 and maybe a potential break. If this area breaks, you will see 3,000. Yeah, next target. So I think, at least in my opinion, we don't have bullish variance, as I said before. This is not bullish variance anymore. We have invalidation. So I think it's the time to be careful here. because before it was better. Right now, no. Okay, so let's continue with the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, as you can see here, we have invalidation. Yeah. Yeah. And also we are going to have potentially today and tomorrow the invalidation of this potential bullets variance is forming here. We don't have bullets variance in OBB as well. So overall, I am looking for continuation in October and November. Yeah. Technically speaking, I cannot be too bearish here because it's testing the MI55. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 test. Not exact, but it's testing. But here, if I show you this, yeah, the MI55 here, sorry, the OBB is breaking the sell line here in Nasdaq. And the last time when we saw this setup, you know when? 2008. Okay. So just be careful. Okay, so let me continue. Let me see. This one, right? It's the same. It's the same. 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart. Yeah. To the moon in 4-hour chart. No. Time is over, my friend. Time is over here. Yeah. Technically speaking, if I have to short here, or if you're looking for shorts, let me tell you something. This asset is testing the previous low. Do you think it's smart to enter in short here? No. No. If I have to trade this, is to the upside. Okay. Longs, no shorts. Okay. If I have to trade this, technically speaking, right now, in 4-hour chart is in sideways. Also, when you see the sell line testing here, of course, and you see the sell signal here, potentially it's a sell, yes. But even if I see the sell signal, I will not take the short. Why? Because it's testing the lows from June. Yeah. So it's not smart to short here. The short was here, the short was here, and here. Maybe the last time here. But not here. Here, no shorts. Okay. So technically speaking, this area should be the last hope for bulls. Okay. Okay, so let me continue. let me see. Leo, when you have time, you said about 2 hours. Oh my god, 2 hours. I don't trade 2 hours, my friend. A minimum is 4-hour chart. I'm sorry, I am not a scalper. So right now Bitcoin is dumping here. Yes, a little bit. 19K maybe should be the target. Yes, if this area breaks, well, the bottom of the range. Yeah, but for me, as I said before, the risk and reward for me is not good. So that's why I didn't take anything. I didn't trade today because of that. Okay, let me see the here. This asset in 4-hour chart, I can help you with this. Yes, this is just a bounce. A bounce here to what? To keep falling. Okay. Here, no, thank you. Okay. So when the chart here, let me show you. There is no bullet divergence here in for euro, and also the weekly chart is in free fall. So wait for it because we will see 0.80, 0.85 around there for the euro. Okay, so daily, as I said before, we don't have bullets divergence, we don't have anything here, and this is looking super weak. If you see a bounce, yeah, it's gonna be a sell around 0.19. Sorry, 98 around this area. I'm gonna start looking for the new lows, and the reason is not because one day, it's because the monthly is clear. This asset is trending in the monthly, not trending, actually crashing here. So technically speaking, in some point this year, I am looking for 0.90 and 0.85, 0.86 around this area, and from here I'm looking for a major bounce, potentially yes, but that bounce is gonna follow the trend, and the trend is your friend, and it's to the downside. So the euro to zero. No, I'm kidding. But it's very bad, very bad. Okay, so let me continue. Let me see. Because all the market is crashing right now. Someone asked me about Cardano. Yeah, in the long term. The long term, same as 1 week, 2 weeks ago, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, so that's it. The reason is simple. Is because even Cardano is worse than many others. Yeah, the seller line is about to be tested here in the next close, as you can see here. when you see this asset close to the center line here, and well, what is on the price? Well, holding the most powerful support, right? 40 cents. No, my friend. Wait for it, because this is it, if this asset actually is gonna break. There is a very high probability we will see the break. You will see a sell-off all the way down to 0.20. That is gonna be the first level. And the last target I'm looking for is 0.08 in some point maybe this year. No, my friend, no. The shorts for Bitcoin, okay, shorts for Bitcoin. Shorts for Bitcoin, swing trade, right? I am not in, my swing trade was here, here, and also here. The last one was here and here, okay? If you are thinking here, entering short here because Bitcoin is going to zero, no, it's not worth it, okay? No. Even if Bitcoin crash here, I will not take the short here, exactly here. No. Why? Because, well, I follow a system, right? And here, technically speaking, even if Bitcoin looks like it's gonna break, and I'm looking for that actually, yes, you have to respect the area of support. And here and here and here is support. If you're entering short here because Bitcoin is going to 10K right now, there is a very good chance you will get stopped, because if you see a bounce here, yeah, something like this, you will say, oh my god, Bitcoin to the moon, the bottom is in, and here, my friend, I will wait for you with my shorts. Okay? No. If I take a other swing position for Bitcoin, looking for 10K, 14K, whatever, is because Bitcoin is bouncing first. Okay? The last opportunity I was sleeping, yeah, I was sleeping was at $22,000. No, here, $20,000 to 300. I was sleeping here. Yes, and also I was in short here, but I close here because I am playing the range. This is a range, okay? Between the top is 24, the bottom is this area. So every time when you see the support tested many times, yeah, I will start looking for maybe shorts, but not here. What I will do is very simple. Breaking, testing here, following the moving average here, and here, my friend, here in this bounce, I will start looking for shorts continuation. But the initial move, no thank you, it's not for me. Okay, because here, as I said before, it's not for shorts, it's for longs. Okay, right now, technically speaking, we are in the lowest area for Bitcoin, right? So even if I know I am looking for Bitcoin to break, it's very bad idea to enter in short position here. Of course, for a swing short, right? Swing short. Scalping, maybe yes, 1 hour, 4 hour, maybe yes. Yeah, but just open short position here for 1 day chart and just looking for, I don't know, 1 week or 2 weeks. No, it's very bad idea, at least in my case. Okay, so let me see if you have other questions. Please let me know. Okay, let's talk about Ethereum. Okay, 1,100 is the target I am looking for Ethereum. Look, watch this. Yeah, what is this? Sell signal. Yeah, there is no time for Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is gonna crash hard. Yeah. First you will see $1,000 tested. If this area breaks, get ready, because the next target should be around 500. Okay, so let me continue. Okay, I'm gonna talk about a little bit more about stock market. Yeah. The first one is the gold. As you can see here, is technically speaking is actually broke here. The lowest point of support here, but I cannot ignore this. We have a bullish divergence here, as you can see here. If you see maybe in November, December, the ADX is turning negative here. This could be a bear trap, and you will see a bounce actually here. So let me see the monthly. Yeah, I am bullish here. Bullish divergence in weekly chart forming. MA55 testing here. If this area fails, I don't think it's gonna fail. I mean, it will take months because the volatility of gold is very low. So maybe maximum, the lowest point I can see gold is at $1,500. I think you should watch my video. I'm gonna launch a video. I think now is actually I'm gonna release this video in October 1st with my projection for Bitcoin in 2023. So, but you will not like it. You will not like it. I need to tell you right now. You see Bitcoin at 10K, the probability to see Bitcoin at 100K in your dreams. Okay, in your dreams. Okay, so let me continue. The dollar actually. Yeah, I am curious about the dollar here, as you can see here. Monthly, super bullish, super bullish. This asset here. I am looking for final target and potential pullback, of course, around 120. Yeah. From this area, I am looking for a major pullback, but not this month, not next month. Maybe in 2023 we're gonna see the major pullback because it's weekly chart. If we see the higher time frames, for example, here, it's beautiful. I mean, this chart is a monthly, bi-monthly, 3 month chart breakout. So we will have a very powerful dollar for all 2023, I guess. I think. Of course, we're gonna see pullbacks, but this asset is trending in weekly chart. So what does that mean? Well, we are gonna something like this, right? Bouncing here, testing here, for example, and pullback, following the MA55, and after that to the moon again, following the trend. Okay, so it's very bad for all the currencies, for Bitcoin and all of them actually. As long as the dollar is bullish, I think the performance of the market is gonna be very bad. Okay, let's talk about the Bitcoin in 1 hour chart. Well, the target hit $19,000, as you can see here. Yes, if this area breaks, you will see other test to $18,600. And you see Bitcoin here and the monthly is closing around here. Well, I think my video is gonna make sense for you. Yeah, for you. Because as I said before, I am looking for a break, massive break. And I know it's not a popular technical analysis right now here because, well, it's very simple, right? Many people right now, we have many I mean, both sides, right? Many people, they are calling the bottom here. Yes, many traders. And others, they are calling for continuation. In my case, if you ask me, based on probabilities, I am looking for continuation to the downside. Okay, so let me see if I have no shorts. I mean, it depends, right? As in 1 hour chart, maybe you're in short. Okay, totally fine. Okay, you're making profits. Okay, very good. But shorting here in 1 day chart, no, thank you. At least with my system, of course not. Scalping, maybe yes. 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, maybe makes sense. But shorting here because it's going to zero, of course, not in 1 day chart. No, not yet. It will take maybe 1 week or two, a little bit more, I think. Okay, so let me continue. You have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Okay, please let me know. Let me see. I think that's it. There is not too much to say right now. I don't have too much to say right now because I am waiting for the monthly close. For example, Matic, right? Remember, someone said, "Oh yeah, but Matic to the moon." Yes, of course. This is like this. And I said it will take 2 or 3 months, as you can see here. Well, now you can see it, right? So Matic is gonna test 0.45, 0.46. Yeah, and also the total market, the total two. Let me show you here the total two, all the altcoins. Okay. Watch this. Settle line testing here. You see? Settle line testing here. What the price is doing? Is pumping? No. Is about the 55? No. What is doing? To the moon, right? No. No. Time is over. And this, you see a bounce, is gonna be a sell, and you will see, well, outer leg down. Outer 2 or 3 months. Okay. Market makers have to reverse at some point. They pay for short. No, let me explain this because don't take it personally, okay? But it's very normal when I see people like this, like especially if they don't have experience in the markets. Not because you see, I mean, the idea behind of Bitcoin I mean, like people they bought 2015, 2014, and Bitcoin, and they are calling for Bitcoin at $1 million. Maybe they are right, but maybe not in next year. Maybe not in in 10 years. Maybe I don't know. Maybe in 20. Who knows? The thing here is Bitcoin has never been in a bear market, and you will say what? Yes, Bitcoin doesn't know what is a bear market. So the crash you saw here in 2015, the crash you saw here in 2018, the crash you saw here in 2020 is not a bear market. This is a very healthy correction in weekly chart. Okay. So because we have too many people like my friend, I don't know what is your name, Shes, I think. They are thinking, oh yeah, right. Bitcoin is gonna hit 100K. Buy, hold, because right? Bitcoin is a new thing. Um, you have no idea how many people they are like in that thinking in that way. But they have no idea about technical analysis, right? The reason why Bitcoin was pumping is very simple because Bitcoin was in uptrend in the monthly. Yeah. Okay. So Bitcoin, for first time in the history, broke many indicators, and I have many indicators they are calling for a monthly bear market. Okay. So what is it telling me? It's very simple. You will see prices for Bitcoin. If I am right with this, my friend, if I am right with this, you will see prices like you cannot believe for Bitcoin. All the altcoins, all of them, they will get wrecked. Other 50%, 40% crash. Yeah. And this time, you think buying Bitcoin at 10K is very cheap, and from there to 100K, 1 million you want? No. No. As investor, I'll say many times, Bitcoin cannot break 20K as investor. Okay. And the reason is simple because since 2015, always Bitcoin was holding the MI55 here, and here. What happened? Bitcoin broke the MI55, and potentially this year we are gonna get the confirmation of reversal. And you know what does that mean? If you see Bitcoin at 10K, the next bounce is gonna be a sell. Yeah, and that is the problem. Yeah, so in the bull market, we don't need any skills. You have no idea. Even my cat can make money in a bull market. Yeah, just buy and hold. Any skills is good to buy. The problem is when to sell. Yeah, and the bear market is the best moment in lifetime actually to learn. If you want to become a professional trader, right now it's the moment. Right now, because if you are not losing money in the bear market, very good. You are doing much better than the 90%. All the people out there. Yeah. How many people you know, your friends, family, YouTubers, they are saying, I'm gonna do DCA, right? And they started buying Bitcoin at 30K, 40K, I don't know, 50K, whatever, because it's cheap. And now what? You see? That's why DCA, this kind of shit, is not working for Bitcoin. They are thinking it's like a stock market. No. No. That's why, as I said many times, if you want to learn, if you want to become a professional trader, this is your moment. The bear market. If you are not losing money, you are doing much better, more than people like the 90% of the or 90% of all the traders. One moment. Okay, sorry. If you are making money, or at least you are not getting wrecked right now, you are doing much better. If you are making money right now, you are making profits right now, in a bear market, that means you are above of the average. Yeah. So in my case, so far so good. This bear market for me is one of the best for me. Yeah. I love in my case, I love bear markets because for me it's a big opportunity to improve my skills as a trader. Yeah. Bull market, all the TikTokers, all the YouTubers are experts. Yeah. They will say something like this, right? You see, my triangle is very powerful, right? Something like this, falling wedge, right? Falling wedge, like this, right? Target, I don't know, something like this, and oh my god, because it's not uptrend in a monthly, of course it will hit. They will think I am expert. After that, I have 50k followers, and after that, all of them they are getting wrecked at the same time, and that is a problem. Yeah. So that's why, as I said before, you are right about something. The market is gonna reverse. Yes, but I have strong reasons to say right now this bear market is gonna be overextended. 2023 is not, if I am right with my technical analysis, Bitcoin, the performance is gonna be garbage. You will see prices like we've never seen before. And I strongly suggest to you, especially you are newbie here and you don't have experience about markets, watch the movie The Big Short. It's gonna be very helpful for you because all the new generation, especially people they enter in the market in 2020, 2021, they have no idea what they are doing. If they make money here, it's because just they were lucky. Okay, that's it. Wait for it. 2 days more. 2 days more. I will explain better in my video. So far, so good. My prediction for Bitcoin in 2022 was extremely good, actually. So far, one of the best calls in my career as a trader. Because when here, people they said, "Oh yeah, Bitcoin will hit 1 million, right? $200,000." I said, "Here, Bitcoin in 2022 will hit mid-20s, yeah, and second target is gonna be 14k, and lowest point 10k, yeah." And so far, very good, very good. As a trader, I feel very proud about myself, about my skills, of course, right? Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. That's for today. There is not too much to say. I am waiting for the monthly close, and here in the short term, as you can see here, 19k is the target here. Was the target here. Any close below this area, I will start looking for $18,700, 600 here, and if you see Bitcoin breaking, closing below 20k the monthly, well, get ready for a very interesting year. I think Christmas is not gonna be very good for many people. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Yep, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you for all your support. I hope you like the video I posted, and it's gonna be available in October 1st about my Bitcoin prediction for Bitcoin. For 2023, potentially 2024 as well. Let's see. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When they